We had the black wire on the black one, but we had to switch them, maybe because we got an older model, but oh wait, oh, we gotta get some juice on there. We are connected.
Yeah, baby, and they bright too.
Lighten it up.
Super light.
It's daytime right now, so but
we'll have to come back at night and show y'all what it looks like at night.
Got them in there, baby. This is the old. This is the new.
What's going on, gang? Welcome back to our channel. We are back today getting ready to install some lights from Nilight. We have about 5 indoor lights that we are going to install. They're going up here. So yeah, come on with us as we go ahead and install these. They're super easy. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So these are the new lights. They come with the wires already exposed. Easy button. So yeah, super excited to get these installed today and get ready to hit the road this week. We are going to replace 1, 2, 1 in the bathroom. We're going to replace these 2 front lights because this one is fairly new itself. Do these 2, 1, 2 is 5 of them, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do 1, 2, the 2 in the bedroom, and then the 1. Does this one right here look fairly new too? It's not at least like beige, like.
That's dark.
Yeah.
You said 1, 2?
Yeah.
Skip that one.
Yeah.
2 in the room.
1 in the bathroom. Yep.
Alright. Let's get it.
Let's do it.
Lights pop off. See that? We'll get these off and pop the other ones off.
Snip, snip. Clip, clip, baby.
Bring it in the Nilight. Get that on.
Alright, so Nilight supplies you with these super simple installation tips. They give you everything you need. All you gotta do is follow the directions.
Take a couple of these out. You only need 2. You're gonna get some screws. Got them connected. To access the screws. Before we screw, let's make sure they work. We had the black wire on the black one, but we had to switch them, maybe because we got an older model, but oh wait, oh, we gotta get some juice on there. We are connected.
Yeah, baby, and they bright too.
Lighten it up.
Super light.
It's daytime right now, so but
We'll have to come back at night and show y'all what it looks like at night.
Got them in there, baby. This is the old. This is the new. New covers. Voila.
Yeah.
I think it's doing.
Looking good, looking good.
Them bright, boy.
Super bright compared to those. That's crazy work. Twist that thing. Swap that reversal for me. Oh, what else struggling? All tight. I was struggling. Thank you. Oh, honey, this drill is heavy.
Not bad. I know you was about to get that.
Yeah, I just figured I could go ahead and take all the rest of them off.
Yeah.
You still gotta twist the wires together.
Yeah. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
You should have to squeeze that hard.
I'm back here fighting
Yeah,
for my life.
all these is like the different wire size.
No,
It's a bug in this one.
no. There's bug right there. I got the bug. Hey, this is in the other side.
This is got one. Yep, it is cool.
Yeah, I got both teeth. Daddy, I got both teeth.
Let it fall. That's probably got it. So on this thing, I have to push up a little bit because you're creating a new hole. Yeah,
This for snowflake. Daddy, this for snowflake.
yeah, that's what because the other two is right here. There'll be three of theirs and we'll see how fast we can get one.
There's the bug.
Did it fly?
Yeah.
It's okay. It shoot fly.
Shoot fly. I did it. It's not.
Hey, you.
Ew. Ew. Press it.
I don't know
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
It's okay, bud. go, baby. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Gather our supplies and head to the back. Alright guys, we are on the last 2 lights and it's not hard to install these. It's just super damn hot in this motorhome. We don't have it running right now and it's just real hot. So we sweating, but we're getting the job done. And we're on the last 2. Super excited. We are hitting the road this week. Drop your guesses where you guys think our first location would be. It is going to be super warm all winter. So we're excited to be there. No snow. I go right there. Move to that, I move to this. Trade places. We're trading places. Gon' get it. Get it, get it, get it. Another one like that. Alright.
Yeah.
Hey!
There you go. Hey, you can pick up this trash though and put it in your trash can.
Thank you, buddy. There you go, dude. You get this one.
Ta-da.
Welcome, man. Thank you. We're giving me the original one. We stacked, baby.
We done, baby. We done. That probably took every bit of, what would you say? How long would you say that took?
In a steady rhythm, maybe 30, 40 minutes, you know?
Yeah, if that.
But just because we had it backwards at first.
Yeah.
We had to go back and switch too, but once we got that and figured out where we wanted them, easy work. We got them in, got them installed.
Got everything installed, guys.
We're gonna turn them all on for y'all. Y'all can see them.
Alright.
What?
So we're gonna give y'all a shot now that we have finished installing the lights. Of course, this is still the daytime, so you're not gonna be able to see them at their greatest potential. But we'll come back out here at night and show you guys what it looks like in the daytime now that they're all installed. Time to turn it on. Let's see what we got, baby. 1, 2. You okay? 3. Uh-oh. Houston, we got a problem. Just our luck, those ones will be opposite.
Right. Alright, gotta do a little switcheroo.
Alright guys, so we installed the lights earlier today. We are just gonna go outside and take a peek at the lights just so we can show y'all what it looks like at night and how bright the lights actually are. Alright, come with me. Alright guys, we are back in the motorhome. I already cut this one light on because obviously you wouldn't be able to see me if I had not done that. So I'm going to go all the way back to the bedroom and cut those 2 lights on first. And then I'm going to cut these 2 lights on that we installed just so you guys can see how bright it actually gets in here with these new lights. Alright, I'll be back. Super easy to just push on. Literally, y'all. I'm I'm in love. Just giving you guys a little close-up of what the lights actually look like. I know that's kind of hard to look at, but yeah. Super bright, letting off some good light. The bedroom is super bright. Super bright. So again, I'm loving it in here. Loving the lights. I am in love with how they look, how easy they were to install, just how aesthetically pleasing it looks. We are in the process of upgrading our motorhome. It is a 2002, so it is very old, but we love it. We're doing little things here and there. We're thinking about either putting paint or wallpaper on the walls, so we haven't decided yet. But super shout out to Nilight for hooking us up with these ceiling lights. It has made our RV brighter. It has made our motorhome feel like home. Like, it really feels bright in here. I love it. So shout out to them. If you are looking for new lights for your motorhome or your RV, definitely check out Nilight. I'll drop the link in the description. Make sure you guys continue to like and follow, because we are getting ready to hit the road. Peace. And just like that, Nilight lit up our night.